So guys, according to this headline, you can see that Nnamdi Kanu pleaded not guilty to the terror charges against him. We all know that the federal government has moved his charges from treasonable felony to terror. Now, before I let you watch this video, I want you to watch on Nnamdi Kanu. Take a look at this image. This happened about some days ago, you know, in the north. In northern Nigeria, 3 soldiers were captured. 3 soldiers, 3 Nigerian military men were captured by these bad guys. And guess what? They killed all of them. They killed all of them. The media is silent. The government is silent. All the security heads are silent. Tinubu himself is silent. I mean, military men. 3 of them died. Nobody is talking about them. Tomorrow they will start advertising to Nigerians to come join Nigerian military. And now the people who did this thing, who buy these people, the Nigerian government has no time to charge them with this terror. They cannot charge them. They are charging Nnamdi Kanu, who is asking for secession. But they cannot charge these people who are in the north causing this mayhem. Tomorrow they will tell us they've repented. They will grant them pardon, grant them de-radicalization, give them money to go start up their lives, tell us that they've repented, they are being introduced to into the society. But they will not be charged. Now, Nnamdi Kanu is the one being charged. You know, they've changed. Every time they keep amending the charges against him. This time around, they've moved it from treasonable felony to this one we are seeing here. And the people who are the ones committing the real terror are free. They are walking freely. You can see what they did to Nigerian soldiers. 3 young, hefty men. 3 very young military guys. That's how they ended their lives. Anyway, let me allow you to take a look at the news on Nnamdi Kanu pleading not guilty to this funny charge against him. Just take a look for yourself.
The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has pleaded not guilty to 7-count charge of alleged terrorism brought against him by the federal government. Mr. Kanu was arraigned before a new judge, Justice James Omotosho, of the Federal High Court Abuja, after he accused Justice Binta Nyako, who had previously handled the case of bias. Celestina Area reports.
After a series of accusations of bias against Justice Binta Nyako, her accuser from the case, and seeking a new judge to handle his case, Nnamdi Kanu appears before Justice James Omotosho, the new judge who will now be presiding over his case.
The case is on a new path. Because it is on a new path, we adopt new measures, the right measures. Our client, although angry, knows what is right, and he has done the right thing. The apology is given to the court, to the prosecution, even to the defense team.
Before the commencement of the day's proceedings, Mr. Kanu's new legal representation, Kanu Agabi, tendered an apology on behalf of Mr. Kanu to the Federal High Court, the prosecutor, Adegboyega Awomolo, Justice Binta Nyako, and his legal team. Prosecuting counsel Adegboyega Awomolo, reacting to the apology tendered by Mr. Kanu, says he has forgiven him for the comments made by Mr. Kanu, as he is a prosecutor and not a persecutor, and will do his duty diligently without any form of emotions. Presiding Judge Justice James Omotosho says the length of the trial may have taken a toll on Mr. Kanu. When he was arraigned in 2015, he was 47 years. Now he is 57 years old and still does not know where he is headed. This may have led to him making certain comments which were not right. Justice Omotosho also tendered an apology to the prosecutor on behalf of Mr. Kanu. After which, Mr. Kanu took his plea on the 7-count charge of terrorism. He pleaded not guilty to the charges. The court granted an accelerated hearing in the case and adjourned to 29th April, 2nd and 6th May for trial.
All Mazi wants, and all of us want, is justice. Disposition of this trial so that the nation can be at peace.
It has gone further to show that Nnamdi is he wants this whole thing to end. And just like he said, a man that was charged when he was 47 years old is 57 years old, and government have not been able to prove their case. So I'm also happy with the disposition of the judge, his commitment to see accelerated decision of this matter.
I want to hear, oh, no victor, no vanquished again. That's why I couldn't appear before you earlier when they said somebody had to apologize on his behalf. This is all waste of time. It's not an apology matter. If you like, you write 100. The judges themselves that you're apologizing to, it's beyond them.
Nnamdi Kanu has called for peace. He says there can be misgivings either from the citizens or from the government, but what is important is lasting peace and unity.
Tinubu is a terrible president. You see this picture up here? This is a picture of 3 Nigerian soldiers that were publicly executed by ISWAP on the 15th of March 2025. Almost 6 days now, but the President Tinubu, has not addressed this issue. I have quietly been following this news since on the 15th of March until today. This man has not addressed this issue. So how is he not a terrible president? How do you sleep well at night knowing that 3 of your soldiers that were tasked to keep this country safe was publicly executed? And you are not saying anything. You have not even addressed the family. You are the worst president we have ever seen. The worst. You mean that you sleep well at night knowing that this kind of thing happened to your soldiers? I honestly think you should retire. Let somebody else who is capable of taking care of this country step in.
The case of Nnamdi Kanu is no more within the Nigeria judicial system. Nnamdi Kanu don't have any business again with the Nigerian court. The case is now political. It is now Tinubu that it falls, it behoves on to release Nnamdi Kanu, not any court in Nigeria. The court has gone through and did not see anything on him. Understand? It's just like Pontius and Pilate, who said, I didn't see any offense committed by Jesus. I have washed my hands. That's literally what the Nigerian court has done. So the person that is holding Nnamdi Kanu now is not the Nigerian court, but the president. And the president has that right, understand me, to release him. He has that right to release him, just like he did for those children that were charged for terrorism after the end bad governance stuff. He has that constitutional right to do it, and I am asking that he should release Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. Unconditionally. Some people are saying pardon Nnamdi Kanu. You pardon somebody who committed the offense. Understand me? Nnamdi Kanu did not commit any offense. If he had committed any offense, they would have jailed him. If Nnamdi Kanu had committed any offense, Buhari government would have jailed the.
So guys, you have seen it. This country is a very funny country, you know. If you want to be patriotic and you really want to be a nice person, you really want to be a good citizen, guess what? Your life is even at risk, because any slightest mistake, we've seen people sent to jail because they stole fowl, they stole phone, they stole all kinds of things. But now we are seeing that even Yaya Bello, who is said to have allegedly stolen in billions, is now the one they want to use to replace Natasha in the Senate. You know, funny things keep happening in Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu is being charged for this kind of charge, and the people who are the ones really committing the evil are set free. That's to tell you that this country remains a very funny country. Now, these guys left their youth age. They went to fight for Nigeria. Nigeria cannot protect them. The media houses are silent. The Nigerian government is silent. 3 young military men died under the Tinubu's government. Nobody is talking. So guys, this is a scam. This government is a scam. I'm telling you, this government is a scam. I'm really happy that Nigerians are getting to know that. Honestly, there is nothing good coming out of this government. And that's why you've seen people ranting. Rant. Nigerians, you are encouraged to speak up. Speak up, don't keep quiet. You speak up, you have saved your life and saved the life of many people. Don't be depressed because of these people that don't even care about you. They are there for their own children. They are there for their own people. They don't care about Nigerians. You have to rant. You have to speak up. You have to speak up. The Bible says through confession, salvation, you are saving your life. You know, salvation is coming to you through you speaking up, confess what you are going through, say it out, let the whole world hear it. Let it not be that you did not cry out. Say it out. And that is why Nigerians are lamenting on the social media, because this Tinubu's government has failed the people. Anyway, guys, let me know what you think about Nnamdi Kanu pleading not guilty to this funny charge, and let me know your thoughts generally on what is going on as regards to Nnamdi Kanu in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. Please give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend it to others, and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.